there's our Pips. Whoa, whoa. She's a lazy bugger. She's got a cat flap there. Opens. Today I'm going to be getting the caravan ready for our first trip of 2024. I'm going to let you watch what we have to do in order to do this. So basically I'm going to get it, I'm going to move it away from the fence, which is currently about a foot away from the fence, so to get around the sides so I can give it a quick wash. And it will be a quick wash because it's going to get black on the motorway again, so it'll be just a quick wash. And then but before I can do that, I've got about an hour's work actually moving it into a position where I can actually do the cleaning. So I'll let you come along and see what's involved in that. Right, we're outside now, and I'll show you what I mean about. So that's as much room as I've got up that side, and there's the fence that's got to be taken down, and yeah, so, and there's our Pips. Whoa, whoa. She's a lazy bugger. She's got a cat flap there. Opens. Right, I'll just move the car forward. We have two wheel locks. One's quite easy to do, which I've already done, and I've got this one on this side. And next thing is I'm going to take the heater out so it doesn't fall over when I start moving it about. Hey, coming out. Come on then. Okay, so that's taken about an hour to go so far. After lunch I'll give it a clean. Now before we set off on our trip, the fence is going to come down again, all the clamps have got to come off, the legs have got to come up. I've got to get it out onto the road and hitch up the car. All that takes me about, well, with the addition of the fence, that'll probably take me about an hour and 20 minutes to do that before we set off on our trip. Tomorrow's job is to sort this lot out in here, but we'll do that between us. For today I've got to check. Need some aerosol, got plenty of toothpaste. There's something else he told me to check. What else, right? Toothpaste, oh, hand wash. I think we might need some hand wash. Oh, shower gel is another one I like to check. Yeah, got shower gel. Like our new clock. Cushions. Christmas presents. Oh. Well, I'm kind of shattered now, so we'll end the video there. If you want to know where we're going, please tune in to our next video, which will be out a week today. That's a week from when you're watching it, which I think is, I can't remember offhand what the actual date is. I think it's the 19th, but I'm not sure. I'll put a link, I'll put a thing on the screen there at 4 PM to find out where we've going to. And all there's left to say is thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, if you could subscribe, that'd be wonderful. Thank you. Bye.